Yo, what is up guys? I'm finally back with another video.
Let's go!
Yeah, so I'm gonna be painting my first car, right? I have zero experience, y'all. So the results you guys get from this, you guys get to decide if you guys want to do it or not, okay? So I'm gonna be starting with this car right here, 2002 Honda Accord. And the reason why I'm painting it is because I'm gonna get rid of my G37. And yeah, so this is what I'm gonna be using. So I'm gonna be using these products right here. I'll leave the link down below. I do got some Bondo I'm gonna be playing with, and some tape. I'm gonna start with the prepping, and then I'm gonna make sure I sand it correctly without damage.
Let's go!
I'm gonna be transforming this to almost a, I don't know, I'm still thinking about the color, but y'all stick around for how it turns out, and let's get started. So this is the compressor I'm using. Again, link down below. You can use my link. Make sure this thing right here, I actually borrowed this, okay? So if you guys know someone, please be sure to borrow tools, okay? Because this is not cheap. You know, like, yeah, make sure you guys wear gloves or something. And you are gonna find like tough patches on the paint, all this right here. But to get rid of the harder spots, I do recommend these. These are used for like Bondo repairs, but like the clear coat fadeaways, or I don't even know what that is, the base coat, I couldn't even tell. But alright y'all, so as you saw, I showed the clip of me finally finishing off the car after sanding, alright? So the next step, so here's the Bondo work. Again, I just used this mixing surface thing. I'll leave it in the description down below. And I'm gonna go ahead and do these two big little like pieces that I've been meaning to do for a while now. Didn't seem super hard. Again, this is my first time doing Bondo ever. Focus switch to that.
Let's go!
Alright guys, as you can see, the primer is done on the whole car, alright? So the next step is going to be the 600 grit. We're going to sand the primer, alright? Again, it's going to be like a beginning of the video, just sand down the whole car one more time, and the color is going to go on next. But of course, first we got to attach these to the sander I have right here. Alright y'all, so we're about to open up the paint. I didn't get the measurements. It says 2-in-1, but I was looking at the thing. It says 2-in-1 right here. It just doesn't make sense to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint well, pour the paint. So this is the color I have chosen, and then we're gonna fill it up to the 4 mark, which hopefully isn't a problem. Anyways, let's go ahead and get this started. All right. This is the gun I'm using. I'll plug it up.
Let's go.
Right, y'all. So I'm just gonna test it. I don't know what I'm doing. Wish me luck. Alright guys, so I finally finished painting the whole car. As you can see right here, the clear coat is pretty much, well, I mean not the clear coat, the base coat is completely done. Nice. Can't really get the best type of quality right now. The lighting is kind of bad. Here it is. This is actually what I'm seeing right there. Alright, so I let it dry for about like, it's about to be like 3 hours. It recommends 8 hours, but I mean, it's super dry to the touch. So I don't think anything's gonna happen if I just spray the clear coat right now. Because I mean, I only got 1 day to do this. So keep in mind, y'all, you guys can also do this in 1 day if you really try. But yeah, that's the base coat. I'm about to do the clear coat. Here it is right here. This is exactly what I'm using. The that right there, and the activator or hardener, whatever that thing's called. It says 4 and 1. So what I'm gonna do is 4 and 1. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get to spraying. I'm gonna go ahead and get to mixing. Again, clear coat. I'm gonna try to spray the whole car with this one right here. You can see it right there. Alright you guys, so this is the car 3 months later. Alright, so this is the runs I was talking about. I couldn't record an outro when I was recording, so I decided to record one now, and I think it's better either way so you guys can see the condition it is after 3 months. So yeah guys, give me credit please. I need a like and subs because I'm trying to quit my job, you guys. I'm actually recording my outro during my break. Who does that? Please help me out. So here's the condition. One last walkthrough. Here's the top. Yeah. So guys, please leave a like, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching to the end, and I'll see you guys next time.